So here's how to build landing page on Wix. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Wix account. Now here you have to simply click on the design site option at the top right corner. Once you click on it, now it will take you to this page. From here you have to simply select your category. Here I'm gonna click on this other option. Once I clicked on it, now it will take me to this page. At this page here I'm gonna click on the create your website with the editor option, and after that here I will be able to view these templates. Now here at this page I'm gonna simply search for the landing page option in the search bar. After that it will give me these templates for designing my landing page. Now from here I'm gonna simply select this template and then click on the edit option at the top of it. Once I clicked on it, now here it will take me to this page where I can make changes on it according to my need. First, to change the background of this template, I will simply double click on the background and then click on the change background template option. Now from this pop-up menu, I will select the color of my theme. If you want to add any picture as your background, you have to go to your Wix library, and once you are there, now from here you have to select any image that you want to set as your background image. Once you have successfully selected the background of your landing page, now here you have to make changes on the text. To make changes on it, I will click on it and then click on the backspace to remove it. After that you have to click on the add elements option and then click on the text. Now here you have to simply select any text that you want to add. Now here you have to write your message, and after that you have to edit it. Once you are done with all the changes on your landing page, you have to simply click on the save option at the top, or you can click on the publish. So that's how to create a landing page on Wix.